What if I told you that every time you use ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, or any AI tool, there are things happening behind the scenes that these companies will never voluntarily tell you? Not conspiracy theories, not clickbait. Real, documented, uncomfortable truths that big tech buries in dense terms of service, academic papers, and corporate PR spin. Today, we're pulling back the curtain. 7. AI secrets big tech hides from you exposed. Stick around to the end, because secret number 7 is the one that changes how you'll use AI forever. Let's get into it. Secret number 1, your conversations are training data. Here's something most people don't realize. When you type a message into an AI chatbot, there's a very good chance that conversation is being used to train the next version of that model. OpenAI, Google, Meta, they all have clauses buried in their privacy policies that allow them to use your inputs for model improvement. That means your business ideas, your personal venting sessions, your medical questions, potentially all of it becomes training material. Now, some companies let you opt out, but the default is almost always opt-in. When you're chatting with AI, you're not just a user. You're an unpaid data labeler. You're teaching the machine for free while the company profits from your input. The fix? Always check your privacy settings. Turn off chat history where you can. And never type anything into a free AI tool that you wouldn't want a tech company to read. Secret number 2, AI doesn't actually think, and that's dangerous. Big tech markets these tools like they're intelligent, like they understand you. They don't. AI language models are, at their core, extremely advanced autocomplete systems. They predict the next word based on patterns in billions of texts. They have no beliefs, no understanding, no common sense in the way you and I have. So why does this matter? Because when an AI sounds confident, we tend to trust it. But these models hallucinate. They make up facts, cite fake sources, and deliver wrong answers with complete confidence. A 2023 Stanford study found that AI legal tools gave incorrect information in over 30% of cases. Doctors have reported AI suggesting dangerous drug combinations, and it's all delivered in a calm, professional tone. Big tech knows this, but they keep pushing adoption anyway, because the money is too good to slow down. Secret number 3, the free AI is never really free. You've heard it before. If you're not paying for the product, you are the product. With AI, it goes even deeper. Free AI tools collect your data, your prompts, your patterns, your preferences, and that data has enormous commercial value. It's used to train better models that are then sold to enterprises for millions of dollars. Think about it. You're essentially doing quality control, testing, and training for a product you'll never own. And the company builds a billion-dollar business on the back of your free labor and your data. There's also the advertising angle. Google's Gemini feeds into an advertising ecosystem worth hundreds of billions. The more they know about what you're asking AI, the more precisely they can target ads across all their platforms. Free AI is a data pipeline with a friendly chat interface. Don't forget that. Secret number 4, the environmental cost they don't talk about. Every time you ask an AI to write an email, generate an image, or answer a question, it consumes a startling amount of energy. Training a single large AI model can produce as much carbon emissions as 5 cars over their entire lifetimes. And inference, actually running the model every time you use it, adds up massively at scale. Microsoft, Google, and Amazon have all quietly walked back their climate commitments since going all in on AI infrastructure. Microsoft's carbon emissions rose 29% between 2020 and 2023, largely due to AI data centers. They talk about net zero in press releases. But the data centers are expanding, the energy use is exploding, and the environmental cost is being quietly ignored. They won't bring this up at their product launches. But you should know what's powering that chatbot. Secret number 5, the bias is intentional, or at least convenient. AI bias is well documented. Models can be racist, sexist, and culturally narrow. But here's the secret within the secret. A lot of this bias isn't just accidental. It's a product of choices. Who builds the model, what data they use, what they prioritize, and what they choose not to fix. Big tech hires teams that skew heavily towards certain demographics, from certain universities in certain countries. The models reflect the worldview of the people who built them. And when bias is found, the PR machine goes into overdrive with promises of fairness teams and responsible AI initiatives. But the structural incentives, move fast, ship fast, profit fast, don't change. The uncomfortable truth is that biased AI deployed at scale reinforces and amplifies real-world inequality. And the companies profiting from it are not moving nearly fast enough to fix it. Secret number 6. AI is already making decisions about your life. Most people think of AI as a chatbot or an image generator. Something fun, something optional. But AI is already making, or heavily influencing, decisions that affect your real life. Your bank may be using AI to decide if you get a loan. Employers are using AI resume scanners that never even show your application to a human. Insurance companies use AI models to set your premiums. In some hospitals, AI tools influence treatment priority. And the terrifying part? Many of these systems are black boxes. Even the companies using them can't always explain why the AI made a particular decision. There are almost no federal laws in the US, or most countries, requiring companies to tell you when an AI made a decision about you, or giving you the right to appeal it. Big tech lobbies hard to keep it that way. Regulation slows down profit. You have a right to know when a machine is judging you. You just don't always have the law on your side. Yet. Secret number 7, the AGI timeline they're not telling you. This is the big one. Artificial general intelligence, AI that can match or exceed human intelligence across all domains, has long been considered a distant sci-fi concept. Something for 2080, maybe never. But privately? The top researchers at OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic believe it could arrive within this decade. Some say sooner. Here's the thing. These companies have a financial incentive not to alarm the public. Mass panic doesn't drive app downloads. So they carefully calibrate their public messaging, acknowledging risk enough to seem responsible, while downplaying urgency enough to keep growing. Sam Altman has said AGI could come sooner than most people think. But what does that actually mean for jobs, for power, for humanity? That conversation is happening in boardrooms and private research papers, not in the marketing material. The companies closest to building something that could reshape civilization are also the ones with the most to gain from you not thinking too hard about it. This is why AI literacy isn't optional anymore. It's survival level important. So there you have it. 7 secrets that big tech hopes you'll never piece together. Your chats train their models. For free, AI doesn't think. It predicts. Free AI is a data business. The environmental cost is being hidden. Bias is a feature, not just a bug. AI is already making life decisions about you. AGI is closer than they're letting on. Knowledge is your defense. Share this video with someone who uses AI without thinking twice about it. Drop a comment. Which secret surprised you most? If you found this valuable, subscribe, because we cover AI, tech power, and digital rights in a way that actually respects your intelligence. See you in the next one.